Hello, garden enthusiasts. Today we're venturing into the unique world of CEPHALOTAXUS Harringtonia Prostrata, commonly known as the yew prostrate, a captivating evergreen that adds a touch of elegance to your garden. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the captivating world of garden design. Yew prostrate is an attractive evergreen shrub with a low-spreading prostrate growth habit. Originating from Japan, this cultivar of the Japanese plum yew is valued for its dense, dark green foliage and adaptability to various growing conditions. An interesting fact about Prostrata is its unique form, featuring gracefully arching branches that create a distinctive ground cover effect. While yew prostrate is primarily cultivated for its ornamental appeal, Japanese plum yews in general contain alkaloids that are toxic if ingested. It's crucial to handle them with care and ensure they are planted in areas where pets and children won't be tempted to consume any part of the plant. In terms of nutrient values, these shrubs are not typically grown for consumption. Prostrata variety can be a valuable addition to landscaping, especially in areas where a low, spreading ground cover is desired, with its tolerance for shade and versatility in different soil types. Yew prostrate is a popular choice for gardeners seeking an evergreen solution for ground cover or slope stabilization. This evergreen thrives in well-drained soil. With partial to full shade, it is relatively low maintenance, requiring regular watering and protection from harsh afternoon sunlight. Maintaining a consistent moisture level and providing shelter from strong winds are crucial for its well-being. The yew prostrate adapts well to rock gardens, slopes, and container plantings, bringing a touch of elegance to your outdoor oasis. Thank you for joining us on this garden journey. Don't forget to explore our other videos and subscribe for more delightful content. Farewell and happy gardening.